Well, welcome everyone to our third annual technical conference. Gary Fisher here, Executive Director of the Project Production Institute. I'll be serving as your host today. Excited to see so many folks signed up for the conference, and we have a terrific day lined up for you. I promise we're going to make you think, and I trust will be a great investment of your time. Project Production Institute exists to increase the value the engineering and construction industry provides to the economy and society globally. We do this through the application of project production management, including ongoing research and development of PPM and related technologies, as you're going to see highlighted in the conference today. Preparing for this conference, I had to reflect on, how much has changed over 1 year. AI is the new gold rush, dominating the landscape with massive spending on data centers, which require power, water, and digital infrastructure. Projected capital spending for all segments in just the U.S. alone is on the range of $12 to $15 trillion over the next 5 years. Shortages of both skilled labor and engineers is here today and only going to get worse. Manufacture and supply of equipment and materials, which are needed especially across all the segments, are in short supply. Costs are ramping up and lead times are growing. Did a quick check on the lead time for gas turbines the other day, and it was like 5 to 7 years. It's like unbelievable. Clearly, more than ever before, we must do less as an industry. We must do more with less as an industry if we hope to have any chance of meeting these societal demands. No surprise here at the Institute, we believe the only proven method to get more with less is through project production management. But do we have all the answers? Can we rest on our laurels? Clearly not. So the Institute is not only educating and advocating for the use of production management, we also support a healthy research and development program. We always have our ear to the ground, talking to leading thought leaders in the industry, looking over the horizon to anticipate and monitor industry trends. We look for ways to use production engineering thinking to improve performance, including our call for papers at this conference. Our observations typically fall in one of three buckets: theory, models, and control. Work on production management theory includes both expanding current knowledge base as well as helping interpret and communicate existing theory. The application of production management theory to real-world problems such as field development or data center construction is the process of developing and analyzing models. Control focuses on the use of various systems, methods, and tools to control production systems. Once a research opportunity is identified, it's reviewed by PPI, supported, a plan's developed, funded, and executed. Research is generally performed through our relationships with Stanford University and the University of California, Berkeley. We do tap into other leading institutions and, of course, industry experts. Results of our research are presented here at this conference and other channels throughout the year. So, moving to the agenda for the day, take a look at this. As you can see, we have a very full and rich day. We have 30 minutes aligned for each topic, 20 minutes of presentation, and 10 minutes for your Q&A. So if you have questions, please drop them in the Q&A function here on Zoom, or you can use the chat. Either one, we'll be monitoring both, and I can relay those onto the speaker. As you can see, we don't have any breaks planned, as this is a virtual conference. So if you need to take a break, take one. You can always catch up on the recordings that we'll be releasing within a couple of weeks here after the conference. So with that intro, without further ado, let's get the ball rolling.